Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, my name is Hannah and I upload beauty videos. I would love it if you stuck around and subscribed. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you want to see how I created this makeup look, keep on watching, but just a little bit of a warning. I don't show the eye look and I explain that in a second, so just keep on watching. But if you want to see how I do the rest of my face, I will show you how to do that in this video. I realized that my eye makeup is already done and hopefully that's not annoying to you, but I didn't want to film that part because, well, let me blend this a little bit more, because you can't really get these palettes anymore, and also like I used multiple palettes. I don't think you can get these palettes anymore, but I just used a cool toned like transition color, and then I used a black sparkly shade on my lid. And over top of that, I used kind of a pearlescent white sparkly shade. I think it's kind of sparkly or just pearlescent. Loose shadow over top of the black. And then also I didn't take the black all the way to my inner corner. That's on my inner corner. So maybe explaining that, you can recreate it. I've said it before, I'm going to go in with the Glassy Skin Balm to prime my face. I've said it before, but I want to get a new cool tone palette. I just put a lot of thought into things like that, I guess. But I very much want a cool tone palette because I also think it's interesting because I feel like in general I like cool toned things, but when it comes to eyeshadow, I like warm toned eyeshadow a lot. Like for example, I like my hair to be very cool toned. This room is cool toned. Like I feel like I'm more naturally drawn to cool toned things, but I just can't get enough warm tone palettes. I don't know, something about it. Also, I almost forgot to do my skincare today. Like, who am I? Like, I was straightening my hair again. We'll get back to that in a second. Okay, well, no, let's go ahead and finish the thought. I was straightening my hair again for the video, and then I was like, oh yeah, I haven't washed my face yet. So I did wash my face, did my whole morning skincare routine, moisturized, and also applied sunscreen. Even though it is a very cloudy day, hopefully the lighting is pretty good on this. But I just wanted to kind of do a chit chat, get ready with me video, even though I know we are starting with the eyes already done. Hopefully you still like this video. And a very exciting thing, I've spoken about this for a while. I feel like that I've been wanting this. This is the Rare Beauty foundation. I've wanted this pretty much since it launched. I do also have a separate Rare Beauty video that I will link for you guys in the eye up above. But I've been wanting this Rare Beauty foundation. Just, I guess whenever it also initially launched, like I didn't want to spend like a whole lot of money at once. So whenever it initially launched, I got the blotting sheets, I got the concealer brush, and then I also got a lip balm, which I do really like. So I have the shade 140C also. I am very pale right now because I don't have any self-tanner on, but I think my skin is looking pretty good. Like I'm not trying to ask for more breakouts, but overall I feel like my skin's looking pretty good. So with mentioning straightening my hair again, oh, and it has like the doe foot applicator, I'm sure you've seen. I just washed my hair like yesterday, I guess early evening, late afternoon, and I'm not loving it because it's so humid here. Good old Florida. And I don't totally love how it looks, but that's what we're going with. Ooh. For Christmas, my grandma got me the Rare Beauty foundation brush. So I mentioned that in a video, and I also asked for it for Christmas, so thank you, Grandma. I love this brush. It's dense, but also soft, and yeah. So I used this foundation for the first time yesterday because I just went a few days without wearing makeup. And I feel like it's a pretty good match. Like, do you see this? Like, where does the foundation stop? I think it's a pretty good match to my skin tone, but whenever I do start applying self-tanner again, I will probably mix in another shade, at least until I get, you know, I think I'll probably would like another Rare Beauty foundation, but until then I'll probably mix in my 30NN by Urban Decay the Stay Naked foundation, which is kind of like my foundation that I use to mix with the 20NN to give me a little bit of a darker shade, because I am still pretty fair skinned. But the self-tanner does make me a little bit more tan. But yeah, I love this foundation brush a lot, and it is kind of a dewy finish, but also it might be because of that primer that I used. It's literally called a Glassy Skin Balm, and I know that I have oily skin, but I guess the winter would be the time to use this, even though it's very humid. But I do want to try it out with different primers as well, obviously. I used up my Tarte primer that I mentioned in my favorites from 2020 that I'll also link for you guys. So I think I want to get that one full price because I did like that. It was a priming moisturizer, but it wasn't as dewy as the Glassy Skin Balm. I'm just almost done using that one up. So I feel like I'll probably get that Tarte primer, but maybe whenever I can find it a little bit on sale, because you know that I like getting things on sale. Going to use my Tarte concealer and then also use that Rare Beauty concealer brush, which is basically a smaller version of the foundation brush. You can kind of see them side by side. So I went shopping the day after Christmas and I texted a couple of my friends like, who let me go to the mall the day after Christmas? Like, I didn't go too crazy, but I did get some things. One of them being this sweater, which I absolutely love. It is so soft. I got it from a boutique type store, I guess I would describe it as. And I went in looking for a necklace and I, you know, left with a sweater and I'm not mad at it. Like, it's so cozy and it's super, super soft and I absolutely love it and do not regret getting it. I also got some Express socks because my grandma also got me some Express socks for Christmas, because Express socks I feel like are my favorite type of socks. I love socks. So yeah, they were on sale, so I wanted to get some more. And then I also got that Rare Beauty foundation. And I was shopping with my mom and we also got some after Christmas sale decorations. I could have just said Christmas decorations and they were on sale because it was after Christmas. I love decorating for Christmas. I love Christmas decor. I did a video on decorating the Christmas tree. So I love how that turned out as well. I know we were after Christmas, but if you wanted to check that out, it's still on my channel. Going to go in with this Tarte liquid highlighter, which was also another favorite from 2020. I just got my eyebrows waxed yesterday, so I'm happy about that. Because I think that eyebrows can just really frame your face, and I like that whenever they are more controlled after being waxed, you know? This is the Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3. Hopefully your 2021 is going well so far. It's weird me saying that because it is still 2020 when I'm filming this. This is the Makeup Revolution baking powder to set my under eyes. So again, I love this brush so much for setting my under eyes. I do recommend the trio that this brush comes in. I'm going to be using, see, I was debating using either my Laura Geller Baked Foundation or the All Nighter setting powder. I guess I'll go in with the All Nighter, but I kind of do want to still use the Laura Geller one as well. But I'm also still very much kind of getting a feel for this foundation. This is another brush from that trio that I mentioned, and I'm going to be using my Ace Beauty, I believe that's how this brand is pronounced, Bronzed in Paradise palette to contour. And since I'm very fair right now, I'm just going to use this color and kind of see what that looks like. Actually, that looks a little orange undertoned, but we'll see. This is a really pigmented palette, and I don't know why I seem to forget that every single time I use it. I do think I like the NARS Laguna tone better, but I also like variety, you know? I might put a little bit of the NARS Laguna over top because, like I said, I do kind of like the tone of that better. And especially since my eyeshadow is cool toned, you know, I don't want my bronzer to be like super, or contour to be super, super warm toned. I love makeup so much. This is the NARS Laguna bronzer. I went a few days without wearing it, like I said, and then I put on makeup again last night, and it just like puts me in a good mood. I love doing my makeup. We are going to use the last brush from that trio to apply my blush. This is a Tarte blush in the shade Risque. It was also my favorite blush from 2020. These brushes are just so soft. I love them so much. This is just a fluffy brush. I'm gonna kind of blend that together. Also, I don't know, I hope that you like this video because it's a little different, because I feel like normally the eyes are the focus of my video, and then I just kind of speed through the rest of the face makeup. But now I'm just really getting to talk about the face makeup a lot more. This is the Becca Vanilla Quartz highlighter. Shimmering Skin Perfector, but like I would call it a highlighter. I still love the Sigma F35 for applying highlighter. Highly recommend. Also extremely soft. There should be no surprise that I'm setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And then for mascara, I'm going to layer the Lancome Lash Primer with the IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara and the Tarte Maneater Mascara. First, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I will probably skip over most of the mascara part because it's pretty repetitive, and I spend a long time on my mascara because I've said it so many times before. But I like my lashes to be as big and voluminous as possible. Mascara is just one of my favorite things about makeup. I love trying different mascaras. I mean, eyeshadow palettes too, but definitely I love trying mascaras. And I get pretty much all of my high-end mascaras when they are on sale. So usually they're like 50% off, because full price they would be about $25, I would say, which is a lot for me to pay for one mascara. Not saying that I'll never do it, but just kind of a lot for one mascara. And once again, I like saving money whenever I can, so I usually try to get them on sale. Also, surprise, surprise, I don't have that many cool toned lip colors either. This might be a little cool tone, this might be neutral, I don't know. Regardless, this is the Urban Decay lip liner in the shade Naked 2, and this is what I'm going to use to line my lips. Okay, let's not talk anymore. Over top, I'm going to go in with this Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Stepping Out, and I'm not sure how this combo is going to look, but we're going to see. I don't love it. This is why I need to organize my lip drawer in my makeup desk. We're gonna start over. So we're gonna go a safer route this time. Okay, I feel like Back Talk will be a safer route. It's kind of like a purpley color. So I'm going to line my lips with Ozone, which is just a clear lip liner from Urban Decay. Well, now this is like reminding me of spring. That is what we're gonna go with. I also don't love this, but I think it's better than the other one. Maybe if I put a little bit of gloss over top. I can't find the gloss that I'm looking for, but I did find my MAC Red lipstick. Even though this lip color may not be the best with this look, we're gonna call it complete. We're gonna call it good. No, I couldn't do that. Also, yeah, I think you can see Milo in the background. I just went and got this Pat McGrath lip gloss. It's in the shade Love Potion. I'm going to line my lips with the Urban Decay Naked lip liner. Also, with getting cool toned eyeshadows, apparently I should get some cool toned lip options. Apparently that should also happen. Oh, he's sitting behind my chair, so I don't think you can see him anymore. But in case you're wondering, he is still very cute. Yeah, okay, this is better. Much better. I mean, it's the best of the three options, at least I think. Because like, even though I'm pretty much just doing this part of my makeup, at least, especially like the lip part for this video, I would be very not happy with the result if I didn't like the lip color. I don't know, I just wouldn't like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also feel free to stick around and subscribe. I upload beauty videos. If you liked this video and you want to watch another one of mine, I will link that right here. Just click right there to go check that out. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.